Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate documentary streaming app step by step clearly. Start by opening your device's App Store. If you are using an iOS device, go to the App Store. For Android devices, navigate to the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type the name of the documentary streaming app you wish to activate. Once you find the app, tap on it to view more details. Look for the download or install button and click on it. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. After the installation is complete, locate the app icon on your home screen. Tap on the app icon to open it. Upon opening, you may be prompted to create an account if you don't have one. Follow the on-screen instructions to enter your email address and create a password. After completing the registration, check your email for a verification link. Click the verification link to confirm your email address. Once verified, return to the app and log in using your credentials. If prompted, allow the necessary permissions to enhance your viewing experience. Explore the app's interface to familiarize yourself with its features. To start streaming, select a documentary that interests you. If a subscription is required, choose a subscription plan that suits you. Enter your payment information and confirm your subscription. Enjoy your documentary streaming experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.